loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another new video with me. If you're new here, my name is Mimo Prince and I'm your girl. So today I'm just going to be showing you a DIY on how I make my Ayurvedic black soap shampoo. Yeah, this video has been requested for a very long time, but I'm just like filming it right now, so pardon me that I delivered late. Okay, so firstly I'm going to be unboxing the hair products I got from Jumia, so let's just get right into that. So guys, first off, I have a parcel here with me. It's from Xpac Nigeria. So guys, I've been telling you guys about Xpac Nigeria. They sell fashionable items such as sneakers, your smartphone, your iPhones, whatever, just name it. Xpac got you. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this package. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do, because I'm going to be posting the unboxing video very soon. I'm not just going to be unboxing right here. Nah, you have to subscribe, okay, so that you can see what is in here, the goodies in here. Okay, so guys, now I'm just going to be unboxing my package I got from Jumia. Yeah, these are hair products I bought from Jumia a long time ago. I've not unboxed them, so I'm just going to be showing you what I got and how much I got them. Like, okay, I don't know like the actual prices because I've forgotten, it's been a while, but I know I spent up to like 13,500 in Nigerian currency to buy these stuffs. So yeah, I have my castor oil. Yeah, castor oil. If you don't know the use, go search it out. Okay, so I have my mint oil. Can you see it? Are you focusing? And here is my African black soap. Yeah, so that's what I have in here, and I'll be using that for my shampoo. And right here, I don't know what we'll have in here. Okay, in here I have my one and only VO5 conditioner. It says kiwi lime squeeze with lemongrass extract. Okay, so this is my VO5 conditioner for my hair. You know, after making a shampoo, I didn't know how to make a conditioner. I'm not I'm not a formulator, so I have to get a conditioner for my hair. And I got this moisturizing VO5 shampoo. You know, what we are going to be making today is a cleansing shampoo, not a moisturizing shampoo. This is a moisturizing shampoo. Remember, in one of my hair videos, if you have not seen that video, I'll put the link here so you can go watch it. I said we have moisturizing shampoos and we have cleansing shampoo. You have to interswitch between both to clean your hair. Okay, so this is my moisturizing shampoo. It's VO5 blackberry sage tea with mango seed oil. Yay! So yeah, that's what we got in here. So now I'm just going to be taking you guys over to how I make my Ayurvedic African black soap shampoo. Okay, so let's go. So firstly, I'm going to be preparing my flaxseed gel because I'll be adding it to my shampoo. Flaxseed gel helps the hair grow faster and longer by providing nourishment to the hair follicles. If you have not seen my video of how I make my flaxseed gel, I'll put the link somewhere here. Go see it. Okay. So next I'll be boiling water for my shampoo. Mind you, I made my flaxseed gel very light, like it was looking like water. So now this is my African black soap, which I'll be using for the shampoo. I'm just going to be taking a bit from it. I'm not using everything because it lathers very well. You will see. So I added a chunk of this black soap to my flaxseed gel in a stainless bowl while I wait for my hot water to boil. So I added my hot water to my flaxseed and my chunk of soap, and I covered to allow it dissolve. So after some minutes I came to check and the soap was all dissolved. So now the first thing I'll be adding to this mix is my castor oil. Castor oil treats dandruff and other scalp conditions. It thickens the hair, it manages split ends, promotes shine, softens and promotes silky smooth hair, and also minimize hair loss. So now I'll be adding my mint oil also. Mint oil combats dry scalp and dandruff and promotes hair growth. So I had this chebe powder and fenugreek powder for like 2 years. I don't know if it expired. So I'll be adding those to it. Don't worry, I'm not going to be leaving it that way. I'm going to be sieving it so my hair doesn't get this flaking result. I also added olive oil. You all know what olive oil does to the hair. So now fenugreek powder is a rich source of vitamin A, K and C. It has folic acid and all those good stuffs. It promotes hair growth and all that. Cherry powder has an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can also increase blood flow, which is the key to having a healthy scalp and hair. So after adding all the stuffs, I just mix and covered to allow all the goodness ferment into my shampoo, and I'll leave it for a few days. Then I came back after a few days. I mixed it and I found out that the the flaxseed gel was gooey under the bowl. So as you can see, I'm going to be sieving it, like I'm going to be separating the shaft from my shampoo. So that's what you're seeing right now. Mind you, all my ingredients have been infused into this shampoo. What I'm just sieving is the flaxseed gel that became gluey and the shaft from the chebe and fenugreek powder. So now that is the end of how I made my cleansing Ayurvedic black soap shampoo. So I'm just going to be bottling it and ready for use. Yay, it's wash day, so I'm going to be washing my hair with my cleansing Ayurvedic shampoo. You can see how well it lathers. Like, this shampoo is the truth. Go try it out, go make yours. So guys, yeah, that is how I make my Ayurvedic black soap shampoo for my natural hair. So you can go try it out. Just get yourself a cleansing shampoo and also a moisturizing shampoo. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you in the name of God, please subscribe, please, and click on the notification bell icon so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, and please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below what you think about this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.